Welcome to Food Illustrated. Today we're making chicken tikka masala, the dish that confused my sense of culinary geography. It looks Indian, it tastes Indian, but it was actually born in Glasgow, Scotland. We'll get to that story. But first, let's get this chicken marinating. 6 chicken breasts go into a bowl. To them, we add Greek yogurt, salt, turmeric, garam masala, cumin, and smoked paprika. Coat them well, cover and refrigerate, at least 30 minutes, but overnight is better. Why? The lactic acid in the yogurt tenderizes the meat. It's a flavor uber, driving those spices deep into the chicken. Now let's talk about that Glasgow legend. In the 1970s, a customer at the Shish Mahal sent his dry chicken tikka back. The chef, in a moment of genius, grabbed a can of tomato soup, added spices and yogurt, and poured it over the chicken. A star was born. A British star, masquerading as Indian. Okay, pan is hot. Shake off the excess marinade and sear those breasts. Listen to that sizzle. That's the Maillard reaction. Hundreds of new flavor compounds. We're not cooking through, just a golden crust. Then set them aside. Same pan, lower the heat, add plenty of ghee, 2 chopped onions. Cook until soft. Now half a cup of tomato paste. Cook it until it darkens and starts sticking to the pan. That's caramelization, sweet, savory depth. 8 grated garlic cloves, 2 thumbs of grated ginger. Stir for 1 minute until fragrant. Now our double spice blend: garam masala, cumin, coriander, smoked paprika, a touch of cardamom. Bloom these in the hot fat for 1 minute. Your kitchen will smell like a Mumbai spice market. Add 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. Scrape up those browned bits. That's pure flavor. Then 2 cans of coconut milk. I use this instead of cream. It's slightly better for you, and the subtle sweetness plays beautifully with the spices. Bring to a gentle simmer. Return the chicken to the pot. Cover, low heat, 15 to 20 minutes. We're gently poaching, not boiling. Target internal temperature, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It will coast to 165 as it rests. While that rests, we make naan. I mixed this dough earlier: flour, yogurt, yeast, salt, water. Kneaded 5 minutes, rested 1 hour until pillowy. Punch it down, divide into balls, roll into teardrops. Screaming hot pan, dough in. Look at those bubbles. Flip when charred. Out of the pan, brush with melted butter, shower with fresh garlic and parsley. Let's eat. Tender chicken, scooped with warm, garlicky naan, drag through that creamy, coconutty, mildly spiced sauce. Smoky, tangy, rich, with a garlic kick. A hug in a bowl with a passport stamp from both India and Scotland. This is Food Illustrated. Enjoy the process of illustration on your plate.